From the points I marked, I measure another 7. I measure another 7. From the points I marked, I mark.
Picking up the pieces of a broken heart, guess I was chosen.
So guys, now for this step 2, let's know how many of 7 by 7. We've already gotten the other 7 inches. Okay, the by that is in the 7 inches, we've gotten it. Okay, so we want to get the 7 now before the by that we've gotten earlier. So now let's measure and know how many of the 7 that will come out of this one of these our by 7. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? Yes. So let's know how many 7 will come out of this by 7 now. Remember, I'm making a sexy hot short gown for your heads, and I want to know how many of my friends here, how many of you guys that will be able to benefit from it. So now let's measure the first one. I have my 7. I do mark. Okay, then let me measure from the points I marked. From the points I marked, I measure another 7. I mark. I measure another 7. From the points I marked, I mark. From the points I marked, I'll measure another 7. I mark. From that same point I mark, I measure. Let me make this into very clear. I measure another 7. I mark. From that point, I make another 7 with the point I marked. So this is our last 7 I mark. Now, I'll still do my straight line because I don't want to cheat any of you. Okay, at that point, I'm going to draw a straight line. Then from the second one, the next one, now all the lines, I am done drawing all the lines. Let me now do the cutting. Let's know how many we got. Because I don't want to choose any of you, I have to draw this line so that everything equal. Apart from the people that will be getting the last one, the last by 7. Remember, that one is more than 7. Okay, it's 7 and half. Okay, even though that the half is remaining one line, just 7 and a half. So this is what is left from it, the remaining one. So I got something like this size. Okay, it's not up to what we need. So in total we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5, we have 6. That is 6 7 by 7. Okay, 6 7 out of the by 7. So I have 6 of this. I'll do the remaining one and then we'll see what we got. So guys, I've done the remaining one. So in total we got 30 pieces of 7 by 7 in one full yard of a lace faceless. Okay, we got 30. So this is 6, this is 12, this is 18, this is 24, and then this is 30. 6 6 each of them. 6 times 5 is 30. So we got 37 by 7 from 1 yard of lace. So this will be going to our short sexy hot gown that I'll be making with this for your hair. We could be going to 30 persons. So guys, I hope with this video you're able to know how many 7 by 7 that can be gotten from a yard of a Swiss lace. If you want to know how I'm going to construct this hot gown, okay, how I'm going to be constructing each of these hot gown, the pattern I'm going to use, the color of thread that I'm going to use to construct it, let me know in the comment section. And you know what to do. Once you join the family, once you upload that videos, you get notified. Let me know in the comment section if guys would be like to see how I will be able to construct this short gown. Okay, if you learned anything from this video, do it to hit that like button, share to your friends, comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you are not yet to join the family, you know exactly what to do, so you get videos of all my tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next